Okay, North Penn, we're here. We're at our 11th school of 12, not 13 today. Just got to rub that in there. We got 11.
What school? I don't know. But don't tell anybody.
Yeah, we won't tell Mr. Theodore that. So we're out here at North Wales Elementary. I know I did tell you Gwyn Nor, but they were at lunch again, and we thought we'd see some action. So you just saw some things. I'm here with the famous, infamous, Mr. Scott Crater.
World famous in North Wales.
Yeah, world famous right here on this
right
parking
here
lot.
on this
Yeah, all right. So, Mr. Crater, tell us what we got going on out here.
Well, right now this station's at this group's on break. They're at lunch, but it is a 4-part continuous water game. It runs for 20 minutes. So what the teams do, they started this one. They started this one with a sponge, and this is one where we throw it to the next person at the sponge. So if I throw it all the way over to myself, like that, squeeze it out, and we keep going until we fill it to the black line. As soon as the teacher running the station tells us we're done, we move on to part 2. Part 2 is the plunger relay. So this is one where we take it and we pass it, and we keep on passing down until we fill it, again, to the black line. And then we move on to part 3. Now, Dr. McKenna, can I borrow you?
Oh, we got Dr. McKenna in here.
You want to get wet or not get wet?
I can get a little wet.
All right, go ahead. Take those lids off of there.
There we go.
You
Get a little
hold up
wet.
one lid. So this one, we fill up the X shot. You're going to want to put the handle right in the bucket. The handle. See that handle? Yes. Angle it down in the bucket. Perfect.
Okay.
So we go with this and we shoot it. And we keep on deflecting water down until they fill it
To the black line.
black line.
I got it.
How did you guess?
Look at me. I'm smart. I
He
must be
would
a
know.
doctor.
He's a doctor too. Elbow. I've got a problem.
I can't help with that.
Not that kind of doctor.
I can help.
Once they fill it to the black line, we come over to the kiddie pool. This one is called rubber ducky.
Okay.
Because inside of each one is a rubber floaty animal. So the kids climb on in, and they cover up every single hole in this big tube here, and they keep on pouring water in until they make the animal spill out of the top. If they're done, they go right back to the first station, and then the second, then the third. Keep going for 20 minutes. How many times can they go around? Remember the whole idea of it. Have fun, get wet,
And win.
and win.
Good.
All right.
Are we demonstrating?
We demonstrate.
Introduce.
This is my son Matt. He is home from college for probably the last summer being home because I think he's moving to Florida next summer. So I'm enjoying this one. But he comes out every year. He's actually been out here. He used to play in this water when he was like 3, and my mom brought him up, splashing around the water.
So given how dirty the water looks,
Yeah, it's not dirty.
Probably
It's
is
just
the
the
same
It's
water.
the sun.
Oh, that's what I'm just kidding.
I don't know what you're talking about.
All right. So, Mr. Crater, how long have you been doing this Olympic Day here at North Wales Elementary?
27 years, but we lost 2 years because of the COVID years. So 20 and 21 we didn't have it. 25 years. I changed this year to a grouping where the kids are now, every team is made up of first graders, second graders, third graders, fourth graders, fifth graders, sixth graders.
That's really cool. All right, so-
peaceful.
So speaking of some history here and some of the tradition, I think we have another North Wales. No, you were Inglewood.
Inglewood.
All right, but a North Penn grad, Dr. Mike McKenna is our chief academic officer. He oversees all 13 elementary schools. So how's it going out there in the other elementary schools?
Everywhere has been great. Our PE department does an amazing job, and just off triathlon a couple weeks ago.
Oh, yeah.
So amazing PE department does a great job at every building. So appreciate Scott and everything he does.
Which schools have you been to, Dr. McKenna?
Let's see. I started day at Hatfield, Walton Farm, Inglewood, Gwendor, North Wales, York Ave.
It's not 11.
Not 11.
Not
I've
11.
not gotten to 11.
So we're going for 12 to 12. We're headed over to Gwyn Nor next. We appreciate everybody tuning in as the kids are moving on to their next station. See you in a few minutes at Gwyn Nor. One more.
Go, go, go!